Listen, life is not easy. As you can see, I'm rushing down to get my daily bread. My name is Alex, but they call me Trucking Planet. Yes, I try to maintain my lane always. Please, always be careful while driving, because life has no duplicate. This place is called Ochadamu in Kogi State, Nigeria. Here is T Junction, very slopey. If you look straight, this road is called Old Ida Road. And
Former
here,
Ida Old Road.
Old Ida Road.
This is former Ida Old Road.
And this place is called Ejule Road.
This is the
This
Ejule
place you
Road.
see in checkpoint, you see police. This is Ejule Road. So whenever you are coming down from a very slopey area like that Ochadam, you have to slow down and horn very well. I want to tell you a special story. You look very well. Of a great man. Then before you in Kogi State, Nigeria, you are going in Africa. The man's name is called This is Trucking Planet. Today a very powerful soldier, a warrior, and a magician. Atta of Igala went to war. The war was so terrible, and he started running. When he was running and the soldier was chasing him, he met a very mighty stream. The stream is by the right here. Look at this bridge here. Hold on, I will show you the bridge and I will continue with my stories. Look at it. You can see the red clothes that spread there. That place is Shrine. So I'll continue with my story. Atta of Igala gets there. When he got there, the soldier is about to kill him, and there is stream with his horse. He cannot be able to pass there. So, as a magician, he bent down and brings sand in his hand and say something about it and spray like this. That stream inside divided into two. When he divided into two, his horse passed there. When his horse passed there, he separated another side, so that those soldiers that were chasing him will not get him. So the people of Igala saw the miracle, and most of them started going there to pray. Here is the view of the river. You can see how clean the river is. And by the right, you will see this shrine. Look at the shrine. You see the chicken, cloth, and so on. This is where the Atta of Igala stayed. I was bathing. You can see the river and how the thing divided. The thing divided into two.
Yes, we are here.
In this place. Yeah, look at me having fun with my guys, you know. I said let me come here to do the video so that I can show to you people. So look at the another side of the river. This is where he divided. See the river the other side. this place is the demarcation. Then see here where he divided and run away. He was saved. So there is a lot of magic in Africa. Africa is very great. Yes. This is Trucking Planet, creating time to entertain you people. Yes, this is Igala land. Ata of Igala is the only man in Africa that do the magician and separated the land and the river. There is power in Africa, but a lot of people don't know. I can take you here anytime. If you like my video, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.